Hi, I'm Niki Jabbour for Johnny's Selected Seeds. Direct seeding is when seeds are planted directly into the soil. Certain crops like tomatoes and peppers are best started indoors and eventually transplanted into garden beds, while others are best directly sown into the ground. Fast-growing crops like bush beans, peas, leaf lettuce, as well as root vegetables like carrots and radishes are all direct seeded. There are benefits to direct seeding. First, it's quick and easy, and you don't need any seed starting equipment. But it also avoids disturbing the root system of the plant, which can occur when transplanting. When you're ready to direct seed, start by prepping the bed. Make sure the soil is loose and level, and add soil amendments like compost. Before you sow, read the seed packet to learn how deep and far apart to space the seeds. These Trilogy bush beans are spaced 2 inches apart and 1 inch deep. Generally, small seeded crops are planted 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep, and large seeded crops a 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep. Once planted, water in the seeds to ensure even moisture and good soil seed contact. Continue to water regularly, keeping the soil lightly moist until the seeds germinate and are growing well.